friends! Today, we're going on a family trip to the zoo in English. While we enjoy the story, we'll learn English grammar, new words, and you can repeat and play with me. Are you ready? Let's go!
Mom, is today zoo day?
Yes, Lily, today is the day.
Can we really see real lions? Are they really big?
The biggest ones, yes. But first, everyone needs to finish breakfast.
I'm done.
Ben, you only had 2 bites.
He's too excited to eat.
Okay, snacks, water bottles, sunscreen.
Mom, we're not going to the desert.
The sun is still at the zoo, you know.
Dad, can I bring my binoculars?
Of course, but the giraffes might be so tall you won't even need them.
Really that tall?
Taller than our house.
All right, team, Zoo Adventures starts now.
Whoa.
Look at the gate. It's huge.
Ready to meet some animals?
Yes.
First stop, giraffes.
Oh, wow.
They're huge.
Look at their long necks.
Did you know giraffes have very long tongues too? Almost 2 feet.
Dad, why do you always say these things?
It's looking at us.
Whoa, it's spraying water.
Elephants love water.
Good thing we're standing far away.
It's taking a bath. I wish I could shower like that. Then that would flood our house.
What was that?
That was a lion.
Let's go see. There he is.
He's huge.
That's the king of the jungle.
They're crazy.
Look at that one swinging.
They're like tiny gymnasts. That one looks like it's judging us.
He looks like Grandpa.
Grandpa the monkey. They walk funny.
They look like they're wearing tuxedos.
Very fancy birds.
All right, everyone, ice cream break.
Best mom ever.
My favorite animal was the giraffe.
Mine was the monkeys.
I like the elephants.
I liked watching you two enjoy everything.
Dad,
Yes, buddy?
can we come back to the zoo again someday?
Of course. Our first trip to the zoo wasn't just about seeing animals. It was about laughter, surprises, and spending time together. The simple moments became memories we'll never forget.
Say it with me. Memories we'll never forget. We use present simple for facts and habits, but let's make it fun. I say the subject, you say the verb. Elephants, monkeys, lions. Roar loudly. See? Easy. It's like telling real zoo facts. Now let's talk about plans using going to. We use it when we know we will do something soon. Example from our story. Dad said, "We're going to see the lions next." Fill in the blank with going to. 1. I going to eat ice cream. Repeat after me. 2. They going to watch the monkeys. 3. We going to visit the penguins. Let's meet the animals. Guess and repeat. I show a picture, you guess the word. Then we say it together. What's this? Repeat. Giraffe. And this one? Repeat together. Elephant. King of the jungle. Say it with me. Let's make funny sentences together. The giraffe is eating ice cream. The lion is dancing.
Exercise 1. Present simple. Say aloud, elephants love water. Lion roars loudly. Monkeys climb on trees. Exercise 2. Going to, future. Say aloud and act it out. They are going to feed the monkeys. Mom is going to buy ice cream. I am going to take pictures of the penguins. Say aloud, amazing! Today you learned grammar, spoke English like a native, and played with zoo words. Remember, the more you repeat and act it out, the faster you learn. Next time, we'll go on another adventure learn new grammar, and have more fun with English. Bye, little explorers!
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.